I bought a ridiculously cheap R32 Volkswagen. Let's check out what's wrong with it and why the hell I've got this. We've got this R32. I bought this at a bit of a whim. This has to be one of Australia's cheapest R32 Volkswagens. It's got a few things wrong with it, but it is registered. It's completely legal to drive, but we've got some cosmetic issues that we need to sort out. So, as you can see here, it's hit a kangaroo and the clip on this side has popped out. So we need to replace the clip on the bumper side or on the quarter side. So we need to investigate and see exactly what's going on. We've also got down here, the quarter grille is out and also the lower grille is out. There's not much that we can do about that. One such thing being that it's got seat covers on it. I'm hoping that we've got some beautiful seats underneath it in leather, and also that we've got some floor mats in there that are not original, but that's okay. I think we can sort them out too. First up, what have we got? In this car, the R32, came the legendary 3.2 litre V6 that the R32s are synonymous for. They make beautiful noises. They're pretty reliable, generally speaking, as well. But this one, she's high case, still makes all the beautiful noises. It's had beautiful repairs taken place over the years as well. We've had all the cooling lines replaced. We've had all of the usual suspects. Apparently it's had a timing chain at some point in its history. So it's probably just about due for another one round. But as you can see, we're just seeing a bit of the life of the car starting to shine through. So we've got a bonnet coming down, so we can try and rectify that. We've got some stuff in the interior that we need to take care of as well. So this particular example is a DSG. So as you can see here, we've got our DSG, our flappy paddles with our nice flat bottomed R32 steering wheel. We've got our beautiful blue clusters that light up at night. Even the original GPS head unit, which must have been a seriously expensive option. But my favourite bit is it is a slick top. So we have no sunroof with issues with leaks. All right, so let's get this tape off and see what we're working with the area underneath. We can check it out. Hopefully we can get most of this off with a little bit of polish, a little bit of cleaning. All right, so first up, I can see right away that we've got some plastic missing. So I ideally want to get all of this off. I can give it a bit of a clean with some goo off. That can go. Okay, so our screw's missing. It looks like part of our insert for here is missing as well. So ideally, I want to get that tucked back in like so. And we ideally need something here. So as it sits at the moment, I can see that we've got this pushed back in a little bit. So we're going to see what we can do. We'll see if we can pull that out maybe back at the workshop, because I don't think we're going to be able to do this here. And we might be able to reattach this bumper using some plastic welds or something from a Jetta bumper that I have back at the workshop as well. It should be easy enough able to get through this. Okay, so I've got that to tuck in. That should get us to town at least. So that's sorted. Now, next up, we're going to make these seat covers go away. Seat is looking looking pretty damn good. I reckon we give it some leather clean and leather love. It'll come up gorgeously. Still nice. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. Now let's go around again on this side. Go over here. You can just sort of see there's a couple of clips and stuff. They come up beautifully. I'll quickly show you them. Beautiful seat. Minimal bolster wear. This one's a little crushed, but like it's just showing signs of wear. A little bit of leather love, some cleaning. Come up beautifully. Even the rear seat's in beautiful condition, and leather love onto this side.